Is that a gazebo? A pagoda? Pergola? Or maybe it's an arbor. Let's get it straight. This is a gazebo. It's an outdoor structure commonly found in parks, backyards, and gardens. They consist of a solid pitched roof, a raised floor, and semi-open sides or railings. A gazebo is typically set away from the house and is often the centerpiece of the backyard. This is a pavilion. A pavilion is similar to a gazebo because it has a solid pitched roof, but does not have the raised floors or the railings and walls surrounding it. Pavilions are larger and sturdier than a gazebo, most often found at parks, event spaces, and often on large properties. This is a pergola. Now, a pergola is similar to a pavilion, except that it has a roof that is finned or latticed instead of a solid pitched roof. Or in our case, the roof can be open or closed, which is a relatively new idea. Usually pergolas are found close to the house, or in this case, attached directly to the house. Now I'm gonna throw this out there because this is a common mistake. You ready? A pagoda is not a pergola. A pagoda is a building with a multi-tiered roof commonly found in Asia, not in your backyard. This thing hanging above my head's not mistletoe, baby. It's an arbor. So is an arbor just a small pergola? Kinda. It's similar in concept, but its purpose is just a little different. An arbor is largely decorative, made of wood or vinyl, and you'll often see them in parks, over a walkway, and sometimes even at weddings. All right, now that all of that's out of the way, let's talk about what's right for you. Do you like a decorative structure that you can sit under and socialize? Go for a gazebo. Want a large outdoor structure for hosting big parties? Perhaps a pavilion. You want something that offers a little bit of shade without blocking out the beautiful sky? A pergola is perfect for you. You want something that makes your yard look elegant but isn't a super big bulky structure? An arbor is all right for you. All right, I hope you learned something today, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it helps us out a lot. If you want to see some really cool outdoor structures, go to theluxurypergola.com.